In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks online. By the end, you'll understand how to get set up and start managing your business finances with confidence. First, you'll need to sign up and choose a plan. Head over to the QuickBooks online website in your browser. You'll see different options, usually plans like Simple Start, Essentials, or Plus. Take a moment to read the short descriptions under each one and think about what you actually need. For example, how many users you want, whether you need bill management or more advanced reporting. If you're just getting started, it's totally fine to begin with a lower plan and upgrade later as your business grows. In many cases, QuickBooks Online offers a free trial, so you can test things out without committing right away. When you're ready, click to start your trial or subscription, then enter your business email and create a secure password. You'll also be asked for some basic business information, like your business name and type, so QuickBooks can tailor the experience to you. Next, it's time to set up your company inside QuickBooks. When you first log in, you'll usually see a guided setup that walks you through the essentials step by step. You can follow that, or if you prefer to do it manually, go to the Settings menu and then to Account and Settings. Here, fill in your company details, your business name, address, industry, and any other key information. This helps make sure your invoices, reports, and tax settings are all aligned with your business. A very important step is connecting your business bank and credit card accounts. This lets QuickBooks automatically import your transactions, which saves you a lot of time and reduces manual data entry. Follow the prompts to securely connect your accounts and give QuickBooks a moment to pull in the data. If you're switching from another system, you can also import existing information like customer and vendor lists or past transactions using the import tools QuickBooks provides. Once your basics are in place, you can start managing your finances. For invoicing, go to the Sales or Invoicing section to create your first invoice. You can customize it with your logo, payment terms, and any notes you want customers to see, then email it directly from QuickBooks or download it as a PDF. For expenses, whenever you spend money for your business, record it in QuickBooks. If you paid immediately, you can enter it as an expense. If you owe a vendor and plan to pay later, record it as a bill instead. This keeps your accounts payable accurate and helps you track upcoming payments. You can also add other people to your QuickBooks file. In the user settings, invite your accountant, bookkeeper, or team members and assign roles so each person only sees what they need. This is especially useful if you want someone to help with bookkeeping while you keep control over sensitive areas. To understand how your business is performing, open the Reports section. Here you can run standard financial reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow, and then customize the date ranges and filters to match what you want to analyze. Saving your favorite reports makes it easier to access them later. Finally, if you need to run payroll, you can add QuickBooks Payroll as a separate subscription. Once it's active, you'll be guided through adding your employees, entering their pay details, and setting up pay schedules. This allows you to handle pay runs and basic payroll reporting directly from within QuickBooks Online. Follow these steps at your own pace, and as you get comfortable, you'll find QuickBooks becoming a central hub for your business finances.